Here we have a beautiful 2007 Ford E250 extended handicap wheelchair conversion van. It is a fully wireless system, lowered floor, all the way through. It's a beautiful van. It has a Braun ability setup. It's all wireless, power side entry doors. 87,000 original miles roughly. Belonged to a snowbird here in Florida. A very, very nice, clean van. Good mileage, well cared for. Show you how everything works here. I'll open up the wheelchair lift and give you the tour. Super clean, super nice van. I'm using the wireless remote. The van is not running. This van has a safety on it where it needs to be not running to operate the lift. That is the way it was built for the owner. Awesome van, Michelin LTX tires. The lift is working, was just serviced. Everything is working, operating the way it's supposed to. Has a full tie-down system inside. Beautiful black paint. The van shows beautifully. Clean Carfax, no accidents whatsoever. As you can see, I'll point out any cosmetic flaws that I can find. Give us a call at any time, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help. As for Jeff or Ken, or visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Visit us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. We are happy to help. We've been in business 45 years. We do specialize in handicap vans, conversion vans, antique cars, any specialty vehicles. That's our specialty. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We're happy to help you at any time. This is super nice, clean, black. The body's beautifully straight. Few little minor nicks and scratches that would be considered normal wear and tear. Nothing that really jumps out. A couple little nicks here in the hood, but nothing major at all. Pretty nice. There's a couple little dings in the door, but overall the van shows beautifully. Has beautiful, nice ion alloy wheels, Michelin LTX tires, deep in rubber. This thing doesn't need a thing. These are Michelin Defender LT 245/75/16. Great tires, great van, power doors. Again, we ship anywhere in the world. We can help with any type of trade-in that you might have. We do accept trades. We can do that long distance. Just give us a call. Let us know what you got. We're happy to help. Put a fair value on it. Ask for Jeff or Ken at any time. It's a beautiful E250 extended. Extremely hard to find van. Fully lowered floor. As you can see, all the tie downs are in the back of the van. This is a manual folding bench seat. Goes right back in place like that. As you can see, there's a lever right here behind the trim piece. It is a full folding bed. Does work. Got all your window shades. There's a little dent in the one bottom of the window shade there. But overall, the interior is immaculate in this van. For a 2007, it's in excellent, excellent shape. Hard to find in this condition. Almost impossible to find an E250 extended. Plenty of room here. Nice lowered floor. It is lowered all the way. It does have the quick release front seats. Show you how this goes up. I am using this. We do have 2 key fobs and 2 remotes that go with this van. Again, it was just serviced at the mobility dealer. It's a 600-pound lift. All wireless system. Easy setup, in and out. You just need the e-brake depressed and the vehicle not running. Awesome wireless setup. Easy in, easy out. Beautifully, beautiful black. Running boards are nice. I mean, just a very nice, clean van. Extremely hard to find one of these extended vans. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Happy to help at any time. Got dual air and heat. Show you the back here. It's got a heavy duty tow hitch. It's a big cargo area back here. You could even convert this to a camper very easily if you wanted to, and keep the handicap setup. I got your spare back here. There's a brand new Defender. You got all your tie downs and stuff in these bags. Seat belt, extra seat belt for the mobility system. There's a couple little marks in the trim panel back here, but that's normal. Nothing else, as you can see, is it is a very nice clean van. A little mark in the paint back here. Overall, very clean, very straight, very well kept piece. Give us a call anytime. You can text us at 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. That's for Jeff or Ken at any time. Happy to help. Show you how it runs here. Starts right up. Problem. Runs great. It's a 5.4 liter V8. It is 86,171, roughly 172 miles. That could change a little bit from demonstrating purposes. The dual air is working. You can't feel it, but it is on. I don't know if you can hear it. It's on in the rear, on in the front. Radio works. Awesome van. You got valence lighting inside the window shades there. You can't really see because it's so sunny out, but anyway, give us a call, 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. As for Jeff or Ken, you can text us to that number. We've been in the business 45 years. We're happy to help. If there's something that's unclear, we're more than happy to help. This thing drives excellent. Shifts on a dime. Thank you very much. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Thank you.